Hello everyone, who doesn't love restaurant style crispy and crunchy dosa? So, what if you prepare that at home itself? So, it's very simple. So, let us see how to prepare it. Here, I have taken 3/4 cup of urad dal, that is black gram or black lentil, and then 2 full cups of rice. This rice is only meant for dosa. You can easily get it in any supermarket. And then chana dal or split chickpea. You need 2 tablespoons of this, and then 2 tablespoons of tur dal or yellow lentil. Only 2 tablespoons is enough. So same quantities of both yellow lentil and split chickpea. And then fenugreek seeds, you need only 1 tablespoon. And then 3/4 cup of poha or flattened rice. So these are the ingredients for our crispy and crunchy dosa. So all you need is to soak all the ingredients except poha or the flattened rice overnight, that is at least for 8 hours. And then before you're going to grind these all these lentils and these, so you need to soak poha or flattened rice just before 1 hour. You're going to grind them all, and then after at the time of grinding, add the soaked poha or flattened rice into the bowl and then grind it nicely but into a coarser paste. And then again you need to ferment the batter for 6 to 8 hours at a stretch. So after fermenting nicely, then only your dosa batter will be ready for preparing your dosa. If you don't ferment it for at least 6 hours, you won't get the same dosa as I have shown you. So after 6 to 8 hours of straight fermentation, this is what your batter looks like: creamy, thick and fluffy and cotton-like texture, velvety texture. So now you can add salt into it and a little bit of water if you need it. Remember, you need to grind it in a thicker manner, and then you can add water if you want it. So once you're done with the batter, place a tawa on the stove and see that your tawa is always on heat. It should be hot when you're preparing the dosa. If it is lukewarm, then your dosa won't be crispy and crunchy, but it will tear and it will be smooth and it will become it will come into a paste like manner. So after adding oil and after frying this dosa for at least 45 seconds to 1 minute, your dosa will be like this. Now it is time to roll and serve it to your loved ones. So see, your hotel style crunchy and crispy dosa is ready. Remember, when you prepare this dosa, your house will be full of this flavor and fragrance only. That buttery taste and that fermented flavor, it is awesome. Now serve this with coconut chutney and tomato chutney and serve it to your loved ones. For coconut chutney recipe, see the link given in the description below. Try this and let me know how it turned to you. Don't miss this. Bye bye.